and I am super excited to share these cards with you. So I saw a card on the Taylor Expressions fan site on Facebook using the, I guess what would be an autumn or a fall stamp, or I'm sorry, stencil. It's this kit that I got from the Quappa Create, but it's available on their website, and it's called Falling for You. So it's designed to be, you know, a fall stencil, and I have all the pieces that go with it for fall. And I saw on the site that someone, I can't remember the name of the person, used it to make Christmas cards, and they just came out adorable. So I went digging around in my stash. I don't need this one, which is, I don't know why that's here, but I went digging around in my stash to find greenery and things that I could use to make this. So I did use my favorite poinsettia die. It's a Cherryland Designs. And I make Halloween flowers with these all the time. So I use this. I used this in my spellbinders. This is this Market Fresh. I don't know, I've had it forever. So this is a newer little berry thing that I got from La La Land Crafts, and then I found this as well, so I went ahead and used that. So just go digging around, find what you have. You probably could just use a regular, you know, flower die, but I happen to have that one that worked out really well. And then I also used this one, which came in my candy cane kit, but it was perfect. It's called Seasonal Sentiments, and I have the dies as well, and it was just perfect for what I needed. And so here are the cards. And so this is a triple slim, meaning that I think there's 4 stencils in here. You stencil each one a different color, and then in the end you'll be able to cut your paper in 3s for 3 mini slim cards. Now for this card, I did a couple different shades of green. I did sort of this blue, kind of a blue green, and then I did a kind of a mustard color, kind of gives it a kind of a gold sort of look. And then I used my poinsettia and my greenery and my sentiment, and it just came out so cute. So here's the first card I want to show you guys. And it looks very Christmassy without like being overwhelming, but it's just so cute. And I use these gems that I got from Pink Fresh Studio in gold for my centers, and it's so great. There's this one right here. And I cut my sentiment out twice, stamped and then in gold, and I just kind of stuck it on top of each other just to give it a little bit of pizzazz. And then here is the last one. And then with this sentiment, this is what I had left over from my Pink Fresh Studio holiday workshop on the virtual retreat that I did a couple weeks ago. We had a lot of extra sentiments, and so I have these sitting on my desk, and so this one just kind of fit in that space. And I guess because it's just got all those pretty flower leaves that it just spoke to me. But anyway, I really love. And then I used some gems on this one to kind of cover up some little spots, you know how that goes. But here are the cards, and I love how they came out. So thank you so much for watching. This is Cindy Create the Heart.